Hey everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. If you're new here, I offer one-on-one demonstrations, so if you ever get stuck or need extra help, all the details are in the bio section of this channel. In this video, we're diving into sections and advanced page numbering in Microsoft Word with NVDA. Whether you're working with Word 2024, 2021, or 2019, everything I'll show you has been tested across these versions so you can follow along confidently. Understanding sections in a document. In Word, a document can be divided into sections, allowing you to customize formatting for different parts of your file. This means you can have different columns, margins, page orientations, or even paper sizes within the same document. Sections also give you control over headers, footers, and page numbering. For example, in a newsletter you might start with a single column layout for the title, then switch to 2 columns for the article content on the same page. To insert a section break, follow these steps. First, press Alt and P to open the layout menu. Then press B for breaks. Now choose your preferred break type, press N for next page section break, press O for continuous section break, press E for next even page, or press D for next odd page. The main difference between these section break types is whether or not a page break is inserted. Advanced page numbering in Word. Now that we've covered sections, let's explore advanced page numbering options. Once you've inserted page numbers, Word places focus on the page number itself. From here you can access additional settings. Press the Applications key or Shift and F10 to open the context menu and select Format Page Numbers. If the page number is inside a header or footer, you can access this option via the Header and Footer Design ribbon. If the number is placed directly in the document, find this option under the Insert ribbon. Inside the Format Page Numbers dialog box, you can choose from different numbering styles, such as 1, 2, 3, or A, B, C. You can enable chapter numbering if using a multi-level list linked to headings. This allows for numbering like 3-26, meaning Chapter 3, page 26. You can also decide whether page numbers continue throughout the document or restart at a specific number for each section. Managing headers and footers across sections. By default, headers and footers are linked to the previous section. This means any changes you make will apply throughout the document. However, you can break this link. First, press Alt and J, then H to navigate to the header and footer settings. Locate Link to Previous and uncheck it. If using NVDA, tab to this option, and it will announce whether it is pressed, meaning linked or not. Press Enter to toggle it. When in the header or footer area, you can navigate between them using the arrow keys. Down arrow moves from the header to the footer, then to the next page's header. Up arrow moves in the opposite direction. This allows you to quickly review headers and footers throughout your document. Final thoughts. Mastering sections and page numbering in Word can make formatting much easier, especially for complex documents. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.